Hi, so today I will be showing you guys how I draw my lips. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get right into it. So let's get started. I already went ahead and drew the face that I wanted. Yeah, just a little quick sketch of that. So let me get in really close. I like to start out doing like a shape, like a sad face, like it looks like a, upside down smiley face. And then also I do have the symmetry on for the front view facing lips. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 points there and then bring it in like that. And then like that. And then just find the shape that I like. She has like more of a pouty lip shape. And then maybe add a few lines here. Sometimes if I add too many lines or make them too dark, I feel like they can look like crackhead lips, so I don't want to go and do that just yet. I'm going to come back and do that a little later and see how it looks. Yeah, because I may change this up a little bit. There you go. What are these marks? Okay, and then I go into another layer and go underneath the sketch and find a color that I like. So I do like the stone, the MAC stone lip color. Now go ahead and just color that in like so. And then find a darker color that's similar to this color and just go into like the corners, like the creases of her lips, and like darken it a little bit. There you go. And then maybe add some lines. No, not too many. And then I'll go back to the original color, grab that, and go up to a lighter color. And maybe take the symmetry off. I may actually remove some of the shine off her lips on one side. Yeah. And then just darken it a little more. You could do like a full white, like that. Or you can go ahead and add like some dark to it. So it's like her mouth is like kind of open. Yeah, I think I like that. Then go ahead and grab the skin color. Maybe add like a little highlight at the top. And another layer and just add some shadowing. And change my brush. That one's not good. And let's see how that looks from a distance. Probably crazy. Like a bad lip job. I feel like the lips maybe are too much for her face, but it also could be because it's not colored in yet. Maybe the nose or the eyes are too big, lips too small. So I can just go ahead and merge everything together. And then just lasso this, transform it, drag it out, make it a little bigger. But then now her chin needs to be, in my opinion, her chin needs to be bigger. So I'll go back to my brush, turn on the vertical symmetry, make sure that's aligned where I need it to be. There we go. It's a little better. Not perfect, but better. And yeah, so that is how I like to draw my lips. I hope that this was somewhat helpful or entertaining for you guys to watch. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.